Hello guys, today I want to talk about some tips and tricks, must-dos for beginners. I make this video because there are a lot of people right now that are struggling with these kind of things, and I hope I can help them this way. So first start with techniques. Like a lot of people start lucid dreaming and they see like a list of 20 techniques and they're like, what the hell is this? What should I choose? What should I do? To start with that, you should just find a technique that you think is comfortable, and if you don't know what will work for you, just start with mild. Mild is always effective for beginners because there's not much you can do wrong with it. Outside of choosing the technique and using the technique, try to use it your way. Don't try to mimic what the tutorial says, because everyone is different. And if you understand that, you can see there's a lot of progress you can make with only trying to figure stuff out for yourself. Also, a big thing is for beginners that you have to stay consistent. A lot of people will do like 2 weeks and then they take a break and then do 2 weeks again and they get no results and they be like, I'm doing everything right but it's not working. And yeah, it doesn't work like that. Just try to stay consistent, do it daily, maybe take a day break, but don't make a break longer than a week, and because you are back to zero. For more advanced lucid dreamers, you fall back, but you don't fall to zero. At least that's for me. With recall, there are multiple ways that you can improve on that, because a lot of people have struggles with recall and then they are like, oh, I can't remember any dreams. Well, of course, use a dream journal. If you don't do that, definitely as a beginner, you are probably fucked because you will remember almost nothing. Also with recall, try meditation. It helped me a lot. At the moment I do no dream journal, only meditation, and I can recall up to 5-6 dreams a night and with vividness at all, and it works perfect for me. So you should add it to the list of doing things with recall. Also, what I found out that is really handy for me in the beginning is keeping a day and night journal. So splitting the day and night in two. So in the day you do your day stuff and you write your day down, and then you just stop thinking about the day and only think about nighttime. So I want to lucid dream, I want this goal, etc. It worked really well for me. It's just you have to do it consistently to make your brain notice that you're doing this. Also, a great tip is to stay calm and just relax. If you stress too much about lucid dreaming, there's a big chance you just don't even remember a dream. And also, just stay calm. Just don't try to rush things. Just take the time. Don't be like, I want to have a lucid dream tonight. Just say like, I want to have a lucid dream this month. This way you see progress quicker, and yeah, that helps a lot. If you have any more questions or information you need, you can join our Discord. The link is in down below, and I hope you learned something in this video. Bye.